Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Scribd, access audiobooks and documents step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.scribd.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Scribd homepage. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. A new window will appear prompting you to enter your login credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check for any typos in your email and password. If you prefer, you can click on the checkbox to stay signed in on the device. Once you've entered your information, click the Sign In button again. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Scribd homepage. From here, you can access a wide variety of audiobooks and documents. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your registered email. After resetting your password, return to the sign-in page to log in with your... And that's it. You're now ready to explore the world of Scribd. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.